Well, here we are at the storage place. He had taken the batteries out to charge them up again at home. And so he's reconnecting them. And he had a little more air to the air ride. And we had been storing our 2 extra chairs for the winter. We're going to take them out today so that we don't have to secure them somehow when we pick this up. We still don't know when we're leaving. Depends upon the weather. If it's going to snow, we're going to leave before it. It's getting exciting now, getting close. So that's it for today. Talk again. This site might look familiar to anybody who's been following me. Friends on Facebook. Our beautiful stand of bamboo. This is the Benton KOA journey in Benton, Illinois. Day 1 of our new vacation. I'm not sure, this might have been the site we had last time. Well, the first time I should say. Last time we were farther over. And then there's this other gorgeous stand of bamboo, and I guess it's not that gorgeous to a lot of people. It seems to be kind of wild and spreads like weeds. We have this side all to ourselves here. We're going to have supper here again. They provide a limited menu, but we don't have to cook. The food is good. Yay. We started out just before 6:30 this morning, and we got here at 3:30 this afternoon. We had a couple fuel stops and a couple rest stops. definitely weren't rushing. And last year when we arrived, it was 58 degrees with ice on the pond. Today you can see there's no ice, but it's only 45 degrees, and it is a damp, chilly kind of 45. So this starts our latest vacation. I'll talk to you again.